Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to combine first and last name in Excel. If you are ready, let's get started. Start by clicking where full names begin. Open the function insertion window by clicking on the circled area. Find the concatenate function by searching and click OK. Now this is the most important part. First, click on the line that says Text 1 and then click on the box where the first name is written. After clicking Text 2, simply press the spacebar once and then click on the line that says Text 3 because we want a one-character space between the first and last names. Finally, first click on the Text 3 line and then click on the line where the last names begin. Click OK. As you can see, it automatically combined the first name and last name in the first line. Now let's simply do all of them. Click and hold the small square at the bottom right of the line where the first name and last name are combined and drag it to the last line. As you can see, it successfully combined all the first names and last names. I hope you found a how to combine first and last name in Excel tutorial helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Error Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.